So you think you found a little easier method to get tires off?
No, get tires on.
Oh, this don't work for getting them off?
Not really.
I don't know where it's at. I don't know why. I've never been a fan of that anti-seize. I know that some people swear by it, but
I love not being rusty.
it's really the main thing that I don't agree with is the people put that on their spark plug area to keep water out of there. The oh, what do I call that crap?
Dielectric.
Yeah, the dielectric grease. You use it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I have to. I like it.
Because somebody told me, which don't make sense, is that when you go to pull the cap off or the plug out, that stuff it keeps dirt and everything right there. It's like, you know,
I use this screwdriver.
yeah.
to make it
Hang on, let me get on the other side. Ah, yeah. It's just like an arm extension for you, basically. Nice.
Nope, fuck with the brake on, huh?
What's up? Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't do that when I moved it. So definitely putting the emergency brake on helps.
Keeps the road.
Fighting, trying to find the holes and stuff.